Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the last trading day of the week, Blessing Friday, 21st of May 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update reviews, feel free to subscribe my channel. Just to recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. If you would like to know how I trade through this platform, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. Alright, so EURUSD, as you can see, today we were expecting a breakout. This one, as explained to my traders, you can see here we have very major resistance level. We have weekly, daily resistance level, previous high, and that's what we explained to trader. If the price gonna respecting this level, probably might gonna end up another head and shoulder pattern. So we had a beautiful short trade here on EURUSD, and let me share with you guys. As you can see here, this was the short trade, and afterwards we have another beautiful pullback short trade on EURUSD. Alright, so let's move into the intraday analysis of the EURUSD. If you look at here, this morning, as you can see here, the London morning session, you can see this was the breakout. We have this beautiful another pullback, but I explained to trader we had a major resistance level, so wait for the price to break the previous high, which is price failed to break, and then we develop another pattern, and more likely we explain to trader look for the breakout of the previous low. As you can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful, based on the 4-hour. As you can see here, beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to this at this level, you can see here, this is the support level. We explained to trader it's time to bank some profit and look for another pullback, which is basically also develop, and that's you can see here, and that's I also updated this analysis here. You can see here, explain to trader look for first priority would be the pullback short, which priced nicely. You can see this is the previous low is broken. After the breakout, we had a beautiful pullback short trade here. Amazing trade. So we had two beautiful trades. EURUSD bank beautiful pips, right guys? I hope you understand. And if you look at here right now, if you look at here, the price is respected previously. Let's see guys, today is Friday, and we already closed London morning, so you can see here if the price gonna break, stay below, then we're gonna be taking a pullback. Otherwise, pullback longs. We'll let you know on Monday, right guys? So let's move on to the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a quite interesting trade. As you can see here this morning, if you look at the 4-hour, yesterday, as I said to you guys, after the scandal, we were long, bank beautiful pips, and today we have this breakout and we were long and bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price is about to hit 42,400 level, which is the monthly resistance level combined with this trend resistance level, at that time I explained to my trader, I think we can enjoy another short trade here. And afterwards we were short in this trade, and some of the traders are still holding short trade, and the target would be this level as soon as the price gonna hit this trend support line. Let's see how this gonna go, and let me share with you the analysis. You can see here we were long and we were short here and there, and let me share with you the intraday analysis. As I said to you guys, we keep an eye on 4-hour price action, and then we refine our entries and exit in intraday. So that's what exactly we do. If you look at here, this is the analysis. As you can see here, London morning session, we have this analysis. Price nicely broken the previous high, beautiful. As soon as the price hit at the 4-hour level, that's as I explained to you, major sub resistance level. That time I explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. So he had enjoyed it, and afterwards I also did another analysis. As soon as the profit target hit, I explained to my trader possibility look for another counter short trade at this level, which is basically, if you look at here at this 4-hour, and also if you look at here, price respected here, second, third touch, and also price broken and retest more likely a beautiful counter short trade here. As you can see, as soon as the red candle appear, beautiful, as soon as the price hit to the support level, that's what I explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. And at the New York session, I also did this analysis. I explained to trader, if the price is going to break the previous high or previous low, we're going to take a trade. If the price is going to break this wedge, we will consider pullback long. If the price is going to break the previous recent low, we will consider continuity. We had a beautiful, and as soon as the price hit 200 EMA, explain to trader it's time to bank some profit. So I also did quick analysis for one of the live show today. We had it and explained to look for another pullback, which is also performed, as you can see here, based on the momentum. Beautiful pullback short trade, still holding that trade. All right guys, so you can see based on the 4 hour, and we refine our entries in intraday and a bank beautiful pips in pound dollar. All right, so moving forward, what I can see here, if the price going to respect possibility of pullback, and if the price going to break, then pull back short here. So that's what, as I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. Once we see this major candle rejection, then we just keep enjoying pullback short trade here. So right, so let's move into the you can see one of my traders still holding short on pound dollar. He already banked 22 pips, one trade. And the London morning session, you can see here, that was the short trade, bank beautiful pips, and this was the still in the London morning trade, but it's still, you can see another short trade here, and it's still holding it. Let's see. And if you look at here, the price right now is about to hit this support level. So let's see how that's gonna go. So far 68 pips, almost 100 pips. He already made it for just intraday. Only just trading, you can see 2 or 3 pairs, right? All right, let's move into the dollar CAD, guys. So if you look at the dollar CAD, we were short, we were long and short, and then still long now. And what I can see here is, as I said to you in my yesterday analysis, if it's look like if the price is developing it inverted head and shoulder pattern. Let's see what sort of candle is going to perform. If we see very strong bullish candle, and if the price gonna break, then I'm expecting some nice pullback. So let's see if it is. Otherwise, we're going to trade as what we see it in intraday. We can see here we were long here, bank few pips, and then afterwards we were short here at this level, bank few pips, and we were long here, bank few pips, and we were long here again, banking few pips. All right, so let me explain to you all that trades based on the 4-hour price action. So just okay, if you look at this is the trade this morning, and this was the trade. Once you see here this candle, inside candle pattern in 4-hour, we were long. As soon as the price hit this level, bank some profit. As you can see here, this was the pretty straightforward. We have this breakout. After the breakout, it's pretty straightforward pullback. Momentum was bullish. As soon as the price is about to hit this level, we explained to trader it's time to consider tightening your stop loss or consider banking some pips. Afterwards, price shoot down, and as explained to trader, we're going to take a trade if the price is going to break this previous low in 4-hour. You can see here price nicely broken. As soon as the first target hit, which is the Bollinger, which is the fib channel in our system, explain to trader it's time to consider banking some pips, because the possibility price might going to reverse in 4-hour. And why I said that, and if you look at here, the price respected this level and this level, possibility of pullback, which price nicely did. So we had a beautiful short trade, long trade, and short trade. And then at the New York session, because when the price, as I said to you guys, we have when the price reached this support level, explain to trader possibility of reversal, but we can need a confirmation. So one confirmation, as you can see here, price develop a double bottom. The safest way, if the price gonna break the previous high, which is broken, as soon as the price hit to the first target, which is the first fib channel, beautiful. Technically this was the level which we were expecting a bank beautiful pips. As always, after the breakout, we're looking another pullback. That's going to give us the confirmation, which price nicely did. And beautiful, another pullback, price nicely hit this level. So let's see if the price going to break. And then, as I said to you, in 4-hour, let's see how that's going to go. We will let you know on Monday about the dollar CAD. But as you can see, we had amazing trades. All these 3 pairs, pound dollar, euro USD, and dollar CAD. We had beautiful pips, guys. We also had a beautiful pips. Most of the pairs you can see here, we had a beautiful pips on Aussie dollar. That was a pretty straightforward. You can see here breakout short trade. We had a beautiful on dollar Swiss franc. That was the beautiful, you can see here, pull back at this level, which is the price broken previous high, and bank few pips. All right guys, I hope you have enjoyed it. All these analysis, one of the trade is still open, and if you would like to see all that analysis in the real time, alongside with a 4-hour analysis, alongside with a live IDS support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, as I said to you guys, I provide full Forex coaching and trading through this platform. As I said to you guys, my main objective is to train trader with the live market through live intraday analysis, develop their trading skill and find a good traders, and then we can allocate trading funds to those traders. If you are interested how I train and coach traders through this platform and arrange funds, feel free to book one-to-one free consultation, which is my availability calendar. Link is also given in the video description, and most welcome. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you can bank pips alongside with my traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community once again guys, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed guys. Until next time, all the best.